In drones and robotics, we do a lot of hands-on activities. We are looking for students who want to just build their own robots, maybe program and code their own robots, and learn how to fly drones.
We learned about the science kind of behind drones and kind of how they work and all the different parts that go with them. We learned how to fly them. We learned how to do like different maneuvers.
So we have been here at Cary-Grove for almost 3 years and very excited. The students who have taken it they've been freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors, future engineers or future automation.
In this class, I've actually learned a lot. I didn't know anything about robots in this class. So I've actually learned like all the parts names and like what they do and like what the meaning of it and just like all the different like things that the robot can do and how it works.
I never realized all the different things you could do with a drone. Like we learned about how they use drones to like film movies and just get these different shots and stuff like that, and we learned how like smooth and clear they could come out.
I entered the robotics in second semester, so we went through how to build robots first. I really like this part because you just like build, and building is fun.
Patience is a key thing when it comes to building most of these robots, because a lot of the times there's like an idea in our head, but that doesn't really end up well, and so we have to come up with a lot of other ideas.
Starting this class, I didn't know any like coding at all, and I've learned a lot since this class has started. It's a lot of fun, the robots, because you get to build it and like make it your own, and you do your own coding and you feel accomplished doing it.